Hi, I'm Norman from Get Set Up. Many of us are at the stage of life where we're maybe getting concerned about who's going to take care of us in our later years. There is an option called long-term care insurance, which may or may not be something that you will want to consider. In this class, we will talk about long-term care insurance, what it can and cannot do, what its strengths are, what its weaknesses are, and where to go to get information about what plans are available to you. Please note that we will not be recommending any specific plans. The intent of this class is to make you aware of what's available and to decide whether or not you want to pursue this, possibly by working with someone who's experienced in telling you about these different types of plans. I hope you can join us in this class. This is an important topic for all of us. Thank you.